बिहार में तो आप लोग बहुत कुछ किया, बोला था घुसपैठिया जो है सब निकाल देंगे, घुसपैठिया जो है सब निकाल देंगे। मोदी जी जाकर स्पीच दे, अरे हम लोग तो घुसपैठिया का निकालने के लिए एफआईआर किया है। एक घुसपैठिया नहीं मिला बिहार का इलेक्शन में। मोदी जी का 3 जनरेशन का पहले उनको भी दादा बोल देते हैं, दादा बोल देता है। कभी कोई गुजराती को तो नहीं बोलता है दादा, वल्लभ भाई पटेल दा बोलते हैं। One BJP MOS sitting in West Bengal is giving the citizenship certificate. Can you imagine? Motua ko. But the central government is not arresting that minister. 3 lakhs votes have been deleted, 5 lakhs have been deleted, 7 lakhs have been deleted, and BJP people are there, are dancing there in West Bengal. One crore voted. Voters' right. Only in that case you have a right to election. अरे आप जब वोटर की नहीं रखता है तो इलेक्शन क्यों रखते हैं भाई? वोटर को डिलीट कर दो तो इलेक्शन का क्या फायदा होगा? पहले ये था, अब भी था, है। इलेक्टर विल डिसाइड द गवर्नमेंट, हु विल बी माय गवर्नमेंट। अभी मोदी जी डिसाइड करते हैं गवर्नमेंट थ्रू द इलेक्शन कमीशन। मेरा वोटर कौन कौन होगा मुझको वोट देने के लिए, वो डिसाइड कर दो, वो डिसाइड कर दो भाई।
Then is a constitutional body, and I think so.
Sir, yes, election commission. Sir, so many persons have said nobody raised objection. You are raising an objection. थोड़ा हम है बोल कर objection मत कीजिए सर। चलिए सुनता रहिए। Very crucial question is whether the names of the voter would be deleted with that object. That cannot be purpose. But election commission is saying that votes, 3 lakhs votes have been deleted, 5 lakhs have been deleted, 7 lakhs have been deleted, and BJP people are there, are dancing there in West Bengal. one कर चलेगा। ये कैसे हो सकता है सर? Now sir, you see what the election commission is doing to find out whether an elector is a citizen of India or not. Under the Representative People's Act, the rules, ordinary resident has been said, not the citizen of India has been said. Ordinary resident, not the citizen of India. Who will decide? Election Commission will decide that he is a citizen or not citizen.
Then
It will be, sir, बोलने दीजिए ना। अरे आप तो फॉलो कर लिया, देश का आदमी तो फॉलो नहीं करना सकता है, देश का आदमी भी सुन रहा है ना, सिर्फ आप ही अकेला नहीं सुन रहा है ना। सर थोड़ा बोलने दीजिए। तो citizenship, who will decide it will be citizen? Under the authority under the Citizenship Act, not by the Election Commission of India. Sir, if even the election, if any foreigner is there, who can arrest them? Who can? Election Commission. Certainly not. There is a law. There is a law, foreign investors law, just that they will decide whom it has been given the power. Power has been given to the police. Therefore, Election Commission is not the authority to decide who is citizen and who is not citizen. बिहार में तो आप लोग बहुत कुछ किया, बोला था घुसपैठिया जो है सब निकाल देंगे, घुसपैठिया जो है सब निकाल देंगे। मोदी जी जाकर स्पीच दे, अरे हम लोग तो घुसपैठिया का निकालने के लिए एफआईआर किया है। एक घुसपैठिया नहीं मिला बिहार का इलेक्शन में। बिहार का जब एफआईआर हुआ, एक घुसपैठिया नहीं मिला। अरे घुसपैठिया नहीं मिला उनको। अरे घुसपैठिया लेकर क्या करेगा? Where is the foreigners? You have failed to discharge your duties. If the foreigners have come, override, whether they have come, BSF could not detect it, CISF could not detect it. There's a fault on the part of the Home Minister and the Honorable Prime Minister. That is not the fault of anyone. अरे आप तो सुनिए सर, आप इतना बात बोल रहे हैं, अभी तो मिजोरम में क्या किया, मिजोरम में क्या किया, मिजोरम में दे हैव गिवन द पावर हैज बीन गिवन, होम डिपार्टमेंट ने मिजोरम को गवर्नमेंट को परमिट कर दिया, जो बाहर से आते हैं उसको एंट्री करो। व्हाई? व्हाट इज द रीजन? Is the Mizoram state is a favored child of the Narendra Modi and Amit Shah ji? And Bengal mein, if someone speaks Bengali in Delhi, at Delhi, she or he would be arrested. And you have seen that Supreme Court order. पहले उनको ले आओ, उसका बाद विचार होगा। Has been compelled to सोनाली बीबी को ले आना पड़ा, उसका बाद विचार होगा। देश से तुम सब बंगाली लोग को निकाल देंगे रोहिंग्या बोल के, और रोहिंग्या कहां आ रहा है? रोहिंग्या आ रहा है मिजोरम में, रोहिंग्या आ रहे हैं मिजोरम में अंडर द डायरेक्शंस ऑफ द होम मिनिस्ट्री। I know, I understand the problem. This BJP is basically a Bengali hater. Bengali hater. That is the reason. That is the reason. That is the reason Vidyasagar statue is broken. That is the reason Ram Mohan Rai has been seriously criticized. And that is the reason our Honorable Prime Minister speaks Bankim Da. जब जन्म हुआ था बंकिम चट्टोपाध्याय का, मोदी जी का 3 जनरेशन का पहले उनको भी दादा बोल देते हैं, दादा बोल देता है। कभी कोई गुजराती को तो नहीं बोलता है दादा, वल्लभ भाई पटेल दा बोलते हैं, कभी बोला? बंगाली को सिर्फ टू हेट बंगाल, हेट बंगालीज। दिस इज योर वर्क टू बी डन सर। I will be very quick in saying 3 or 4 points. 15 now? No, just give me 5 minutes. It is stated that the process has caused mass, but don't cut it from Shatabdi. Mass heist and suicide attempt due to SIR panic. Mother attempted suicide along with the child, other documentation fear. Hunger strike by Motua community. This Motua community, sir, do you know what is happening? One BJP MOS sitting in West Bengal is giving the citizenship certificate. Can you imagine? Motua ko? But if the central government is not arresting that minister, this certificate will be given under the Citizenship Act, not by any otherwise. Sir, in my area, in my constituency, Motua never cast vote to me. I am telling you. This time, when SIR is going on, in my one of the area, Domju Jagadishpur, huge Motua came to me and said that our names would not be there. And don't worry, I am here. Mamata Banerjee is here. We'll see you in political fight and also in the Supreme Court. Sir, BLO linked with the SIR. BLO, Wi-Fi is not available in the village, remote village. And you are saying that here they have to work. Even in the Panchayat office, now Election Commission is not allowing the BLOs to function from there where the Wi-Fi is available. Sir, BSF exercises quasi-judicial authority. Who will be the citizen of this country? Sir, lack of proper adjudicatory procedure. Residents of the border districts experience constant fear of non-citizenship. I have spoken about only the BLOs. I have not spoken about the voters. Illegal pushback practice. When the SIR has commenced, all of a sudden they have rising to push back the foreigners.
বিভিন্ন বিষয়ে ভিডিও পেতে চ্যানেল হিন্দুস্তানের ইউটিউব চ্যানেল সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন www.youtube.com/channelhindustan